Organic chemistry is one of those courses that strikes fear into the hearts of underclassmen because it has this reputation for requiring an insane amount of rote memorization. But that's not the best way to learn it, and it's certainly not how you want to learn it for the MCAT. When I took it, my professor stressed that Orgo is a language, and he just didn't mean nomenclature, he meant organic chemistry as a whole, and I couldn't agree more. Just like you don't learn Spanish by sitting there and listening to someone speak it, you're not going to learn Orgo by going to lecture and listening to your professor drone on and on about whatever's in the PowerPoints. That'd be great if you could, but that's just not how it works. You need to reciprocate and speak it yourself, and in Orgo that means doing problems and problems until proficiency. Now on the MCAT, organic chemistry makes up about 30% of the biology section, so we're talking roughly 16 questions, give or take a few depending on the test, which isn't that many. Now, either as a result or a complete coincidence to this, I feel that MCAT Orgo is a much more tame version than what you took in your college course because it's focused more on big picture stuff, more on understanding why something happens than on the nitty-gritty details. To expand on my language analogy a bit, I don't know every word in the English language, but I have a good understanding of grammar and syntax, so I can speak it halfway decently. In Orgo for the MCAT, you may not know every reaction, but if you have a good understanding of carbocation stability and nucleophiles and pKa, you probably should have a good sense of what the mechanism is or what the product might be. Now that's not to say you don't need to commit a bunch of reactions to memory. You do, but the number of reactions I needed to recall for the MCAT were far fewer than what I had in my college course, at least. And as far as memorizing goes, I'd say that biology has far more facts to learn than organic chemistry does. So that's my MCAT Orgo advice. It's problems, problems, problems over memorize, memorize, memorize. My first content video should be the ABCs of Orgo, alkane nomenclature, and I should have that out by tomorrow. Just as I'm planning to do with all my content videos, I'll have questions and corresponding answers at the end. But I wouldn't stop there. I would try to do more, get them from other MCAT studying materials, or get them from your textbook, online resources, wherever. Do them until you can answer them with some speed and confidence, and you should be golden for the MCAT.